How to check your playtime on PS app. Is it even possible? Let's find out. As you probably know, if you go to your PlayStation 5 and click on your icon at the top right corner of the home page and go to your profile, you can access your library and see the amount of time you have spent on each title on your own on PlayStation account. However, is this feature available in the PlayStation app? To find out, you need to download the PlayStation app. If it's available in your country, simply download and install the app. And then when you open the app and go to your profile, you will notice that the playtime is nowhere to be seen. Sadly, as of now, this feature has not been added to the PlayStation app by Sony, which means that the only way to check out your playtime is to go to your console and follow the process that I have mentioned in this video. This video is to inform you that as of now, there is no feature of checking out your playtime on the PS app. So that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.